Okay, so for problem number 44, it says how many prime numbers are between 30 and 50? There's a couple of ways you can do that. One is you could write down all the multiples of, like the 5s, the 4s. You could go through like 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, and then find out what numbers occur, and then any other number that you can't think of as a multiple of another number will fit in this category, okay? Or you could just write them down. So what I like to do is I like to think of them. So I'm going to say 31, 32, so I'll just write them down. And then if I can think of a factor that goes into it, then it's not prime, okay? So, and you could kind of do this in your head, but Mr. Adams is writing it down to kind of show you what you would do in your head. Okay, so the first thing you would do, and you would do this for each number one at a time probably would be the better way to do it, but that's okay. Some people need to write things down. Now the first thing is all even numbers are divisible by 2. So this one is not prime, 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 not prime. Okay? Then any number that you add up the digits and it's divisible by 3 is divisible by 3. So 3, for example, 33, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we know it's 3 times 11. But 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, okay? So that's off the list. It's divisible by 3. In other words, 3 times 11 gives you 33, so it's not prime. 5 times 7, off the list. This is 3, right? 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, but really it's 3 times 13. That's off the list. 4 plus 1 is 5. No help there. 45 is 9 times 5, right? 5 times 9. It's also divisible by 3, but that's okay, not on the list. And this is 7 times 7. Okay? So all prime numbers above 2 are odd. Did you guys know that? But not all odd numbers are prime. I'm left with only odd numbers. 31. Can you think of 2 numbers that go into that? Yeah, 31 and 1. That's it. It's a prime number. 37. Nope. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. Anything that ends in 5 or 0 is also divisible by 5. So we did 2s, 3s, and 5s. Anything divisible by 2 or 3 is also divisible by 6. So we can skip the 6s. We went through and did the 7s. Okay? So anyways, as I go through here, 37, guess what? None of those little tricks help. And I can't think of a number that goes into 37, so that's prime. 41, anybody? Nope. Prime. 41 times 1, and then 47. Oh, what about 43? Yep. 43 times 1. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that what you guys had? Okay, let me check my little cheat sheet, make sure we did it correctly.